Hello everyone, good evening. Today we are going to learn some more commands in Selenium. Um, let's start creating class into our project. We are creating class into our project Selenium training. Just I right button click, then go to new, then create a class. Okay. Actually, we can create a class. Um, we can create class right here in Selenium basic. Right here we have already Selenium test. So I'm going to create another class. Name of the class will be um, Selenium HQ test. Okay, and I will check public static void main, then click on finish. And a class Selenium HQ test has been created, and I told you earlier class is nothing but a template, a blueprint. Alright, and public static void main string args is a main method that is mandatory to run a test. So what we are going to do, I just want to paste here. These are the uh, test steps we are going to implement. Number one is in instantiating browser. In number two is open the browser. And in step number three, maximizing the window. We learn all these things in the last tutorial. And in step 4, we are going to find element. And to find element, we have to take 3 steps: locate the element, determining action, and pass any parameter. And then we will click on go button. Alright, then we will write also another command that will print the title of our page or web application. Then we are going to close the browser. Okay, and finally we will quit the browser. Okay, so these are the steps we are going to take. Let's first instantiate browser. How we do it: we write webdriver.driver driver is equal to new. And today we are going to run our test in Chrome driver. In the previous tutorial we did it on Firefox driver. So today we are learning how to run our tests on Chrome driver. And we are writing Chrome driver, and we have to terminate with semicolon, right? Now we see there is a red mark here and here, and what we have to do, we have to import WebDriver class, and it has been imported. From where? From our Selenium jar that we imported into our Selenium library, reference library right here. Okay, and In the same way, we just hover over on Chrome driver and click on import Chrome driver, and it has been imported too. Okay, so we have driver class and Chrome driver class that have been imported. Now we are going to invoke browser and telling driver go and get string, and there will be string, and we are going to take https www.selenium.com. Okay, then let's try to invoke the browser now and see what happens. Actually, it will not be running because still we don't have the path. Okay, so if you go and check, you will see the path to the driver executable must be set by the webdriver.chrome.driver. In Firefox, we have seen it said gecko.driver, but in uh, Chrome driver it is a little bit different. So what do we have to? We have to system set property. Okay, and here will be the key, and definitely it is a string. I just copy it from here. Okay, then there will be a value of it, and it will be a string also, and it will be the path of the driver, Chrome driver. Okay, just right button click, go to properties, and I just copy it from here. Okay, I just copy it from here, and you can also copy the other way. You can copy from here. Okay, but it's better to copy from properties that I showed you, and I already copied it, and I'll just put it here. Again, those who are using Windows, okay, you have to be very careful when you are using copying path. If it comes with single backslash, you have to make it double, or you have to make it forward slash, it will be single. We learn it in Selenium with Python tutorial. Those who are following my tutorials, by this time you are almost expert. Okay, now let's see whether it can invoke the browser and navigate to seleniumhq.org. And we see it's invoking the browser, navigating to seleniumhq.org. Okay, it's taking a little time. Okay, Selenium HQ. We didn't write HQ, that's why it should be Selenium HQ, not .com. It's .org. I'm sorry. Okay, just run it again. We can run it several ways. I will show you um, 3 ways: invoking the browser, navigating to a Selenium HQ. Okay, fine. Now you see the window is not expanded. We want to maximize the window. So how can we do it? So instantiate the browser, and we are navigating. Open the browser. Okay, Then maximizing the window, how we can do it? We just write driver. We are telling what's wrong. We are telling the driver to manage the window and maximize. All right. Now if you run it from here, you can run it from here too, then you will see the window is being maximized automatically. Okay, now see, that's the beauty of Selenium. It's so powerful tool. uh, we cannot even imagine. Okay, now we have maximized the window, and now we are going to find element and locate the element, then determine action and pass any parameter. It can be actually anything. Now I'm telling the driver go and find element. It can be by ID, but today we are going to find element by XPath. We want to learn some more elements today, uh, that using that we can um, find element and locate the element, determine the action and pass parameter. Okay, let's go to selenium.org and uh, selenium.org. Let's go to selenium.org and let's see what we can do. We want to pass any parameter here. Okay, so inspect the elements of this such Selenium box. Okay, click on arrow icon and click back here. Then we can check ID is Q, name is also Q, but we are not taking the value of these elements. I better right button click, then go to copy, and I can copy the XPath. Okay, XPath. So we are finding elements by dot XPath. Okay, then I just paste it here. Since it is string, it will be inside the inverted commas. Then I'll send keys, and it can be anything, so I just write Selenium. Okay, let's see whether it can pass the parameter through such Selenium box. Okay, it's navigating to seleniumhq.org and passing the parameter Selenium inside the box. Then we want to make it click on go button. Okay, I just click on this arrow icon, then click back on go button, and I see there is ID is submit, but I don't want I want to take XPath, since we are learning how to find element and locate elements with XPath. I just say driver driver is not here actually. In the next step, I just say driver find element by ID it's not ID by dot XPath. Okay, and value will be this one that we copied, then determining action will be click method. We are using click method. Okay, now let's see what happens. It will invoking the browser, navigating to seleniumhq.org, passing the parameter and click on go button, and it has gone to where Google custom search. We are no more in seleniumhq.org web application. We are now in Google custom search. So now next step, if we print the title, then it will not print the title of the Selenium HQ. Rather, it will print the title of Google custom search. Now let me show you how we can print the title. I can say driver dot print title or get title. Get driver dot get title. Okay, get title, and since we have to print it, so we have to put into a string title, and title is variable. We put this data into a variable, and that is title. It can be anything. Again, variable, it can be anything. You can name it name of the web application, name of the title, whatever. I just write title, and title is variable, and I put driver dot get title inside title variable, and it is a string. Okay, now I can print it. How? CSO, and just write CSO, then control spacebar, and system.out.println has been written, and I just put this variable, okay, where I will just say the title of the web application, okay, is title, and it will print the title. Okay, now just run the test scripts, run our program, and it will also be printing the title of the web application. Finally, we are in Google custom search, no more in Selenium web application. So we can check here, and the title of the web application, Google custom search. Okay, now if we want to print the title of the Selenium HQ, then we have to stop going to Google custom search. Okay, and it will print different. It will print now Selenium web applications title. Okay, I think you can follow the logic. Okay, see, navigating the web application is seleniumhq.org, passing the parameter. Okay, I didn't click here because I commented, and you see now title is different. It's Selenium dash web browser automation. All right, now let's close the browser. how we do it, we learned it in the last tutorial. Driver dot close, and finally we say driver, we are telling driver to quit. Okay, and we can also run from here. We our class is Selenium HQ, this one. Right button click and then run as Java application. All right. Okay, and what we can say finally, we can say so and say test successfully completed. Test successfully completed. So thus we can automate the web application or browser or any website using Selenium with Java. Okay, again, Selenium is a test automation tools, set of test automation tools that automates browser. So it's not a single tool, it's a set of automation tools. Okay, so that's all for today. I'm speaking very slowly so that anyone can follow my video tutorial, even those who are not speaking English. Okay, again, English is also my third language. I speak Garo language, that is my native language. Then I speak Bengali language because I studied from elementary to college level in Bengali, Bangla language, and then in the university level I studied in English. Okay, so I speak three languages, speak very little Hindi also, and little Urdu, and also I know a little Arabic too, few words Spanish, and couple of words French. So I can say I'm a little bit multilingual, and I know few words Japanese. Okay, so I think you understand the core concept of Selenium, and that is just you have to take three actions. One is you have to find element and locate the element, then determine the action and pass the parameter. If you can understand this concept, then you can now understand anything in Selenium. You can understand JUnit, you can understand framework in TestNG, you can understand page object model, page factory, and you can understand also BDD, Cucumber. So it's not a rocket science, even we can learn rocket science too. It's a very simple, very easy, and I try to make it simpler than any other thing. Okay, so in the next class we will be discussing some more about Java basic programming. Okay, then we will come back to uh, Selenium, and we will learn some more elements to find element and locate the element with CSS selector, with tag name. I think there are 8 types of element by which we can find element and locate the element. Okay, take action, determine the action, and pass the parameter. We will learn step by step. No worries, no rush. Just watch the video tutorial, take some notes, and practice, and you will learn it very quick. You know, it might take 3 months if you practice regularly 1 or 2 hours every single day. Alright, see you in the next class. Thank you. One small thing, that is, I'm investing my time to prepare this content, record the tutorial, and post them into YouTube. So I will appreciate if you take time to make comments, uh, leave some suggestion how we can improve this tutorial so that we can keep it in continuously we can improve it. And definitely I will appreciate if you subscribe the channel so that you can get the update whenever I upload. Alright, thank you very much.